If you ever need a hard copy of an email, or you just want to save an important message for your records, printing a Yahoo Mail email is quick and easy. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to print a Yahoo Mail email step by step so you can do it in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Yahoo Mail and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your inbox, open the email you want to print. Make sure it's the correct message before you continue, especially if you have multiple similar emails in the same thread. Now look for the print option. In Yahoo Mail, you can usually find a printer icon near the top of the email. Click that print button and Yahoo will open the print preview for your message. If you don't see the printer icon right away, you can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl P on Windows. That will bring up the print window as well. When the print preview opens, take a moment to review the layout. This is where you can make sure the email content looks right before sending it to your printer. Depending on your browser and printer settings, you may be able to choose things like the printer, number of copies, page orientation, and paper size. If everything looks good, click Print to finish. And that's it. Your Yahoo Mail email will now print out, and you'll have a physical copy of the message whenever you need it. This is a really useful trick for saving receipts, keeping records, or sharing important email details offline. If this video helped you, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.